Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got an unbagging for you. Before I get into this though, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. And if you are new here, thank you, and I hope you subscribe. I would enjoy having you on my channel. You never know what you're going to see. I do try to have a video on a daily basis. Here lately I haven't because I just had surgery and I have been on recovery from it. So my videos have been a little slacking, but I am on the mend and hopefully I will get my videos pumping back out. But if you are a returning subscriber, then thank you. I appreciate each and every one of you. So this comes to me from Diamondartgift, and let's go ahead and take everything out so I can get rid of this back. But I do want to say thank you to Diamondartgift for sending this stuff to me to share with all of y'all. I do appreciate it. And yeah. So let me show y'all this one. If I can get it open. I don't know what my deal is here lately with opening these things. Alright. So I seen this. This is one of my favorite all-time favorite bands. So I seen this, had to get it, and it is a 40 by 40, and it is poured glue. Comes with a standard toolkit, which is all you need to do a diamond painting. Green boat, pink wax, and a pink pen. And it comes pre-bagged. There's nothing on the bags. But look at those colors. Aren't those colors pretty? Let me see if I can get them shook down some. Those are so pretty. But look at all of that. Wow. Okay. So, what is the canvas? Woo! Oh my gosh, y'all. So, this is Dark Side of the Moon, Pink Floyd. It is a 40 by 30. When I seen it, I just about had a heart attack. I was like, yep, in the cart, get in there. So it was $4.99. Had to have it. I love this group. And I think I said in a previous video, I'm old school, y'all. So this is all I listen to is is just classic rock. So this has got 14 colors. That's it. 14 colors. And good gravy. That's a lot of 939s. A lot of color blocking. Lots of color blocking. Look at all of that. So this is all of this. 939. I knew that's what it was. That's what I was looking at before I unfolded this. So this will go really fast. So 14 colors, DMC. And yeah. So it has the schematic on the top left, bottom right, with the thumbnail, y'all. See? But yeah, oh my God. Love, love, love this one. So, who's with me? This is like one of the greatest bands. Not the, but one of the greatest bands. So, I probably, well, I don't know all the words to all of their songs, but probably 97% of them. But I can listen to it over and over and over and over. This is one of the songs. Okay, so this is one of the groups that when you get to Walmart or something, and if they're playing, you cannot turn your car off until the song is over. And if you know what I mean, you just know what I mean. So anyway, Dark Side of the Moon, Pink Floyd, $4.99. But look at the colors. Like I said, this won't take long at all because of all the color blocking. But there's all of that. This will not take long at all. But it is gorgeous, y'all. Gorgeous. I don't even listen to radio. I don't. I couldn't tell y'all who any of the new people are, any of the new bands, new songs, new nothing. I could not tell you anything because all I listen to is classic rock or, you know, the old country, you know. I don't do any of the new pop and, you know, I do have some songs that I like, you know, that I've heard, but yeah, my daughter will be like, Mom, have you heard such and such a song? I'm like, who? Such and such. I have no idea who you're talking about. You know that song? I don't know. Well, she'll play it and I'll be like, I think I might have heard that on TikTok. But I don't know who it is and I don't know what it is. But yeah, okay. So there's that one. Okay, so the next one that I got. I know, y'all, I'm old. But I can't help it. You know, when you like something, you like something. Alright, so here's the next kit that I got. And as you can see, it's got the drills, bags that everybody hates. But it's the little 200 drill bags. But there's a lot of white. And some purple. And some pink. And some green. And they look like they're pretty much, unless the purples are different, they're just kind of thrown in there maybe. I don't know. And then it's just got your regular everyday toolkit, which is all you need. Alright, so this is what I got. And yes, I know he's a little Christmassy, but he's cute. And I like the colors. And on Diamondartgift's website, it's called Dwarf with Lantern, 30 by 40, and he is $4.99. And I just think he's cute. And I haven't been getting very many gnomes or gorgeous girls because I'm getting a little bored with them. I love them still, and I still get one here and there, but I've got so many, and I haven't even really been able to do them because I've got everything else going on, but I've just been getting a little bored with them, so I've just been looking for other things, but I couldn't pass him up because I just thought he was just too cute, plus I like all the colors. But he is got 23 colors, and he does have the DMCs. And he's got a schematic on the top and the bottom. Good stick. And he's got all this color blocking, which will go quickly. And then the rest is confetti, but you could bling him up if you wanted to. You could add some ABs, some crystals, whatever you wanted to. Because he's got all this rope around him, which I guess that's supposed to be garland, but it looks like rope. And then the lights, and then the ornaments. He's really cute. He'd be a good one for Christmas. You could do him in December, or you could do him, what is it, Christmas in July, when they do that. But yeah, very cute. So $4.99 for him, $4.99 for Pink Floyd. Oh my gosh, I just love. Okay, so the last thing that I got was another one of these. Now, this is considered a diamond painting tool holder, but it's also considered a makeup holder or a stationery holder or whatever. It's a clutter-free beauty essentials for your counter. It's $7.99. And we use them for our diamond painting pens. And mine are getting a little full because I have got diamond painting pens. I've got like these little novelty pens in them. And I have got my tweezers in them. I have got these ceramic cutters in them. And they're starting to get a little full. So I needed another one. So I went ahead and got one. But these things are so useful. But like I said, this was $7.99 on Diamondartgift. So they're really kind of hard to find anymore because every time I go to get one, they're sold out. Not just on this site, but on others. So, but anyway, what do y'all think? $4.99 Pink Floyd, $4.99 for the dwarf, and $7.99 for the pen holder on Diamondartgift. And right now they are doing buy 3 get 1 free, and they're also doing 70% off their shipping. So leave me a comment, let me know what y'all think about these. Which one is your favorite? Do any of y'all listen to Pink Floyd? If so, what is your favorite song? Or what is your favorite genre of music? And yeah, leave me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. And thank you to Diamondartgift for sending these to me to share. And until my next video, y'all, I hope you're all well. And I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.